In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to an article on LinkedIn. Whether you found something insightful or you're promoting content that adds value to your professional network, I'll walk you through a simple process and share a few tips to help your post land well. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. When you arrive on your homepage, think of it as your main hub for professional activity. This is where your feed, notifications, and posting tools live. From here, look for the Write Article button. Even if you're not composing an article from scratch, this option is still useful because it's designed to help you surface and share content in a professional format. After you click Write Article, tap on the Manage button. This area lets you see the articles you've worked on or shared before, including drafts and published pieces. It's a helpful spot for staying organized, checking what performed well, and keeping your content consistent with your goals. If you share similar topics regularly, a quick look here can guide your tone and keywords. Next, click on Settings. In this section, adjust any options that support your content sharing goals. For example, confirm your visibility preferences, make sure your profile information is up to date, and review any settings related to comments or distribution. Small tweaks here can influence who sees your content and how people engage with it. Once your settings are set, move on to creating the URL for the article you want to share. This is the link your audience will click. When you're ready, click Create URL. This generates a unique link you can distribute across LinkedIn. A unique URL makes your post cleaner and easier to track, and it helps ensure everyone lands on the exact resource you intend to share. After the link is created, copy it and share it however you prefer. You can post it on your feed to reach your broader network, send it directly to specific connections to personalize your outreach, or include it in your groups to spark a focused discussion. As you share, add a short caption that explains why the article matters, highlight a key takeaway, and consider using a few relevant hashtags to improve discoverability. A clear headline and a concise summary make people more likely to click, and that's it. By following these steps, you now know how to share a link to an article on LinkedIn. Choose content that aligns with your goals and your audience's interests to keep your professional presence consistent and valuable. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.